Welcome back, everybody. It's our favorite day of the week. Yep, it's race day. Doing things a little bit different today. It's Saturday, September 21st. The All-Star Slingshots are back at LANCO, Clyde Martin Memorial Speedway. And we're heading there. So, not going to show hammers today. And Trent is going to be racing with me in the All-Star class. So, have my car all ready to go. And Trent's. We're getting ready to load up here. Getting the trailer organized, getting spare parts, and then do some more things on the shop and head on out to the track. Also, we're gonna try to bring in a little bit different camera angle here for the races. Gonna mount the GoPro on the front of the helmet. I got my plexus. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up here. Best stuff on the market you can buy. We'll do the same to Trent's, get some tear offs prepped. We don't have to do it at the racetrack. All right, my helmet and Trent's helmet all cleaned up. Had to repair his speaker wire. Did Trent finish? Huh? Did Trent finish? Yeah. Nice. What did you get? Behind me? Yeah. He got fifth? Yeah, fifth? Yeah. Nice. You were ahead of the
Yeah.
Third. I mean, we got pushed in the beginning.
Yeah, I know. I was behind you. I didn't touch you. I was trying not to.
But pushed at high side, and then I was in the back. I was keeping a nice pace. I was slowly getting close up to you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It was really slick down at 1 and 2. You had to like back off the throttle.
Mm-hmm. I was, what I was trying to do was trying to go like deep into the turn, like the bottom, and also go in like the middle area.
Right.
Ice bowl, ice. Oh my.
We're gonna walk up to the redraw with the future feature winner. We're gonna predict the future here. You're gonna draw a 3. All right, you're gonna hear this. You're gonna draw a 3, Chase. Chase. That's your name, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, Chase. You're gonna draw a 3, then you're gonna win. All right. Heard it here first. Well, we haven't updated here a little bit. It's been pretty hectic, just like I said, with me and the 2 boys. Trent's car didn't run for hot laps, and I had to switch out the carburetor. Ran pretty good for the heat race, but we had the wrong gear on because we had it set up for the other carburetor. We had to make quite the changes here for the feature. I did okay, started 3rd, ended up 5th. Had some help with some cars dropping out. We weren't the quickest. You're off the base pretty much, or by a lot. But a brief rain shower just came through, and they're actually just back racing again now. So we got wingless 600s on the track. We got sportsmans, or I'm sorry, we got the 250 and the 4 strokes, 270s and us. So we got a couple more races, 3 more to go. I redrew 5, so I'll be starting 5th for the feature, and Trent will be starting 9th, I believe. So yeah, he did the first heat, first one out, then redraw. So I start 5th, Trent will start 9th. We'll see how it goes. How you feeling? I know you're not feeling too well. All right, just made it back home, and the skies are opening up now. You can see we're getting ready to get hit hard pretty here soon. Yeah, but we only had a quick little shower that paused the racing about 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so. But recap is overall it was a good night. You know, I've never raced there. Trent's definitely never raced there. Slingshots are only there once a year, if that. So it was all a guessing game. Made some changes. Had to thrash a couple times. It was just me and the boys. We do have other competitors that are nice enough to lend a hand when you need it. So they were all helping each other out, and it's cool. It's what everyone is in the racing community. So, but we didn't get to record too much. I do have the GoPro stuff that you saw, but Xander was going to be my videographer, and unfortunately he was not feeling well at all. He toughed it out and made the whole night, but he was really under the weather, and so get him feeling better. And yeah, feature though, changed the gear in Trent's car, and he was still running about the same lap times, but again, I don't know what to judge it off of based off his line or the setup or what was going on. So he started 9th, finished 10th, but again, he finished. Couldn't ask for anything more. The car rolled in the trailer, stayed out of trouble. I myself started 5th, kind of riding around 7th or so, 8th, I don't know. And I knew wasn't going anywhere, wasn't happening, so I started to move around a little bit and just see if I could make up some time. Moving up didn't make up some time, and then I got past, and then we got the move over flag, and I knew I figured it was Chase. I didn't look at the scoreboard at that time, but Chase shot, who we talked about the pill draw. He actually redrew 1, not 3, but I called it. Chase came by me. So I saw the mover flag, ran another lap, and I started to hear somebody, so I moved up and ripped the cushion around LANCO in a slingshot. Felt pretty cool. Chase got by me, and we both sailed it in turn 3 and 4 like along the fence. It was pretty cool. So he was way faster, way faster. But yeah, we had a good night, and we got loaded up, came back home, and yeah, now it's starting to rain. But we'll be back at action next week at Shellhammers. And then that is our final race of the year. So, yeah, thank everybody for watching. I don't have Xander here to close out the video, unfortunately, but we will catch you guys next time.